Want to see the fight? Hold on.
Well, just got a little bit of good news from Kai over at Boat TV. The cable has been checked through customs, different sizes, so they should be able to get started on my stay or shroud in the next few days. I got another project that I want to do here. My floors and my companionway here. Bought some new varnish, acrylic stuff, marine. $8, not too bad. So I want to do this before we go. So here it is. Job done. Oh, somebody's calling. Hola, motherfucker. I'm good, and you?
We're going on an adventure.
Okay, Jose, what's the plan today?
Fish a fucking Blue Marlin.
But we can't eat them. What are we gonna do?
Throw it back.
Catch a marlin and then some catch a wahoo. We gotta catch a wahoo.
Chicken.
Chicken tackle. New crew today. We got Elvis, pescador Elvis, Steve, and me, non-pescador. Let's go get him. And then Jose, of course, is the captain, but he's above us. So he's on the top. You good? Here I am again at the helm of Vasco da Gama. We got 3 fishermen out there. Yeah, I'm not a fisherman. We got Elvis with us. He's never fished with a fishing rod. He's all fished with his hands, man. So this is all new to him. It's gonna be cool, whole new experience. Steve, he knows a little bit what he's doing. Jose is the only one that really knows what he's doing. But even he's got limited experience. So, here we go. We're gonna go have fun. Try to catch a big fish. Maybe catch a good fish to eat, like a wahoo, like last time.
Jose asked me to helm so he and Elvis could prepare the lures. Elvis was keen. He usually fishes with just lines, bait, and rubber sock on his index fingers. And he and his crew are the shit. Those are not little tunas, folks. And all brought in by hand. No reels, no rods. But we're not here for those. We wanted the big prize. The Blue Marlin. In pro fishing circles, Cabo Verde is said to be the best in the world to catch these sleek beauties. And so, we wait and troll. Then there's that sound. Steed hit big, and now Elvis had to bring all the other lures so they wouldn't tangle. It's instant stress. Then Elvis, Steed, and Jose worked together to rally the marlin close. And this is what fishermen love about the Blue Marlin. Poor Elvis, he wanted to keep the fish. He saw tons of food there and profit. He couldn't understand we let it go, but it's part of the sports fisherman code. Catch and release. We trolled some more and got another hit, but he got away before we could film it. Then we trolled home for a tuna or other edible fish. Elvis was always on guard. Battled through the washing machine so that Jose could calmly back that big girl in its spot. Now that is the question. And for now, I must stay in shroud. Good news for me in Galopin. Oh, sorry. Hey, buddy. The cable has been released from the customs, as was told yesterday by Kai, the owner of Boat Save and the marina. So now I went up there to Boat Save, the boat shop here, and bumped into Brun, who works there. And I said, hey, listen, man, I heard you got the cable. What's going on? He's like, should we do the job? Yeah, I can do the job. I said, yeah, do it. Just do it 1 centimeter longer. That's all. And he said it'll be ready this afternoon. Thing is, I forgot to ask him how much it'll be. I rush my money these days. All right, now I'm gonna go get some little rollers for my floor and companionway project. I had some more time on hand. A lot of businesses closed for lunch, except some Chinese shops. So I went for a quick grog at the Drunken Sailors Bar. Well, I got my exercise in today, walking around town. Most everything is within walking distance. Depends how lazy or fit you are. Because you can hop on a bus or pay a taxi. Let's go check over there. Well, will you look at that? Just in time, man. They're doing it. Good man. Yeah. Obrigado.
Yeah, thanks.
Obrigado. Boat Save. You're good. Your guys are good, man. Good men. Your guys are great.
Thank you.
Just got my cables or my shroud. Got it fixed. Now I'm gonna go talk to Kai and Bruin. See how much this is gonna run. Bon appetit. Now. Check this out.
Obrigado aqui, Inca. Sempre roupas bonitas. Thank you, Kai. Once again, thank you very much. And lovely Liliana. Obrigado,
Thank you.
Bruno.
Nada.
Thanks, Boat TV.
Hola to gents.
Hola, guys.
El Truvaya. And Lily. Le gusta galopin cuidadel. She's a good girl. I love my Wendy. Not only is it windy, clean, the belches super nicely. She's a trooper. But look, cut my hair.
Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Winded Voyage, a real Living Adventure series. It's not fake, baby.